Alright guys, I'm back for another video. This video is for Gogeta Blue 1. Shout out to him. So, first thing for vlog it is you want to go to Pinterest. Make sure you have Pinterest downloaded. And then vlog it downloaded. Now, you go to Pinterest. You pick an image you want. Say Gohan here, for example. We're going to download the image. I'm going to go to vlog it now. We're going to go to library. And say I choose this video right here. Okay. Now, we go to Pip. We click on photo. We click on Gohan. And we line it up right here. Like this. Now if the image is too small, then we make it bigger. Like that. Boom. Then we extend. Check off. And it should play the whole video. Yes. Now, we typically don't use those ones. But say I want to use my Black Goku image. Take this. Blow it up. Just do that real quick. Like that. Make sure it fits all the way, guys. Boom. Extend. Should play all the way through. Hold on. Okay, now. That's pretty much the basics, guys. Now, if you're wanting to add a little bit more details and stuff, there's this app called Background Eraser, which is what I use to erase background I don't want. So I usually use that so I can do stuff like this. There's Dragon Ball Legends, right? Extend, extend, boom. Adds more character to the video. And also explains a little bit more of what the video is about. So people know when they go into this is Dragon Ball Legends. And that pretty much sums it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any more questions, please comment down below. Gogeta Blue 1. And I will feel free to answer them. Alright, guys. Peace.